heard you say that you can breathe alone, and that you pray for all my sins and careless love along the way. Or would you crumble apart 'cause you want me to stay? Maybe in another life we are gonna be together, having the time of our lives, and darling, it'll be forever. To those who've been defeated, been mistreated, didn't get love when they really needed, to all the liars and all the cheaters who were still not able to stop the bleeding, to all religious and unbelievers, believe in love and don't feel defeated. 'Cause maybe in another life we are gonna be together, having the time of our lives, and darling, it'll be forever. This is over now, it doesn't mean we'll be alone. 'Cause when the stars align, they'll guide us home. And maybe in another life we are gonna be together, having the time of our lives, and darling, it'll be forever. And maybe in another life